just pure unadulterated criminal theft. We're talking trillions of dollars of theft from the Federal Reserve, where we have not seen an audit.
They raid these companies. They're corporate raiders. That's what they referred to them back in the 80s and 90s. Corporate raiders who go in and they grab a company and they suck it dry.
What we're looking at is America collapsing, or America falling financially, or America in financial issues, Silicon Valley Bank, or there was poor management, or these things. That's not what I see. When I look at this, what I see with all of these things we hear, when we're talking about the financial industry and the financial condition of the United States of America, what I see is like a big tower that has bombs on each floor that are being detonated intentionally with malice aforethought for the financial collapse and the destruction of the republic.